Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video.
Friends, today I am discussing about an interesting topic. Okay, that is comparison between electrostatic force and gravitational force. Okay, the comparison in between electrostatic force and gravitational force. So we all know about these two forces, electrostatic forces and gravitational forces. Electrostatic forces is given by Coulomb and gravitational force is given by Newton. Okay, so now Fe, I am denoting the electrostatic force as Fe. Fe means electrostatic force. So Fe is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, it is the electrostatic force. So now the gravitational force, that is denoted by Fg. Its value is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 m1 m2 by R square. Okay, this is the electrostatic force and this is the gravitational force. So look at this two formula or look at these two forces. These two forces obey the inverse square law of distance. Here R square and here R square. Okay, this is the electrostatic force and this is the gravitational force. So today I will discuss the comparison between electrostatic force and gravitational force. The comparison in means which force is greater and which force is smaller, or which force is stronger and which force is weaker, and how. Okay, this is our aim and this is our topic, to prove which force is stronger and which force is weaker. Okay, so friends, for the proof I am taking two charges. Okay, I am taking two charges. One is electron and other one is proton. Electron is denoted by E, proton is denoted by P. Electron is negative, proton is positive. We all know it. Okay, electron is negative, proton is positive. So now we know the electron has some mass. Okay, electron has some mass and that electron has some charge, that is Q. Okay, so proton has some mass and proton has some charge. Okay, so mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Okay, the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Okay, so mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and the charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Okay, this is the mass of electron and charge of electron. This is the mass of proton and charge of proton. Sorry, it is not Phi, it is Q, charge. Okay, so now, so electron has some mass, proton has some mass. So due to the masses, a gravitational force is acted. Okay, or a gravitational force is produced. So taking these two mass of electron and proton, we can evaluate the force or the gravitational force in between electron and proton. Okay, so now taking these two masses, I can write Fg means gravitational force is equal to 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 m1 into m2 means 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 divided by r square. Okay. R means the distance in between electron and proton. There are some distance in between electron and proton. That value is r. Okay. So now it is the gravitational force in between electron and proton. Okay. So this is equation 1. So now we can write the Fe means electrostatic force taking these two charges of electron and proton. So now I can write 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 Q2 by r square. Q1 is 1.61, 1.6 in 10 to the power minus 19. It is also 1.6 in 10 to the power minus 19. So I can write 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole square divided by r square. Okay. It is the value of Fe means electrostatic force. So it is equation 2. Okay. First, that was the gravitational force, that was equation 1, and this is electrostatic force in between electron and proton, that is equation 2. Okay. So here this is Fe electrostatic force, it is equation 2, and this is Fg gravitational force, that is equation 1. Okay. So now if I will divide the electrostatic force means Fe by Fg, so I can get Fe divided by Fg. So I will divide these two equations. So whenever I will divide these two equations, this r square and r square will be cancel out. Okay. So value will be, so the rest value will be 10 to the power 39. Okay. So whenever I will divide Fe and Fg, then r square and r square will be cancel out, and the other value will be give 10 to the power 39. Okay. So Fe divided by Fg equal to 10 to the power 39. So now Fe equal to 10 to the power 39 Fg. Okay. 10 to the power 39 Fg. So now from this formula we see, what we see? We see Fe electrostatic force is much more greater than gravitational force. Means Fe is, means the electrostatic force is 10 to the power 39 times of gravitational force. So now in the comparison between electrostatic force and gravitational force, we concluded Fe is, or electrostatic force is, stronger and the gravitational force is weaker force. Okay.